Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how to stop retailers, both online and in person, from tracking you. If you are a living person, it doesn't matter how much you make, online and brick and mortar retailers are tracking your information and your location. Data collection is king on the internet, and retailers can make extra money by selling your data to third party vendors and advertisers who want to know your shopping habits. Also, online retailers and brick and mortar retailers want to collect your information to get a profile about you so that they can target you with ads for the things that you love. Now, this practice has been going on for a while, but it's very important that you understand how your information is being gathered and what could happen if your information is leaked. Anytime companies collect your personal data, there's always a risk that they could become victims of a data breach and leak your information to the dark web. Once your information is on the dark web, criminals can take that information. They can log into your online accounts and they can also assume your identity. So buyer beware. Make sure that you understand how retailers are tracking you and make sure that you know how to stop that from happening. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the ways that your online retail shops are tracking your information. So way number one would be those retail apps that you download. Doesn't matter if it's Target, Walmart, or any of your other favorite brick and mortar or online stores. These apps are tracking your shopping habits. Yes, it's convenient for you to be able to make a purchase from Amazon, Target, or Walmart from your app, but understand that they are tracking you and gathering your information so that they could target ads to you. Doesn't always come in the form of a social media post. It can be from that very shopping app that you're using that makes it convenient for you. Now, I'm not saying that you need to remove those apps, but you need to understand that there's a dual purpose with those apps, allowing you the convenience to shop, but also allowing you the convenience of well, I shouldn't say the convenience, but allowing them the convenience of tracking your personal information. So make sure that you are aware. Another way is those loyalty cards. Doesn't matter what form they come in, whether they hide on your keychain or you've got a card that you pull out. Loyalty cards are an easy way for online and, well, even online and even brick and mortar businesses. I don't even know why I'm scratching my head. I'm thinking about that. But anyway, these retailers use loyalty cards to track your information. So make sure that you think twice before you sign up for a loyalty program. Now, it could be that you are looking to save money, but there's other ways like good old-fashioned coupons that don't necessarily track your information, but allow you to save money without giving out your personal information. So keep that in mind. Now, the next one may scare you, but it's a combo 1-2 punch of how retailers get your information, and that is from your Bluetooth devices. Now, previous did a video on Bluetooth hijacking and how it works with cyber criminals, but your brick and mortar stores can definitely copy your or find out when you've appeared in the store when you have your Bluetooth enabled. Now, Bluetooth is handy if you're connected to your favorite pair of Bluetooth speakers or headphones, but when you leave it on all the time, it allows people to listen in or to connect to your devices. So you need to make sure that whenever you're not using Bluetooth, that you're turning Bluetooth off to ensure that people aren't listening in to your smartphone, and your smartphone is not inadvertently giving out secrets that could compromise the way that you shop. as far as data collection. Another thing to keep in mind too, Wi-Fi. Use that store's Wi-Fi, you're letting that store know that you are in for another visit. Now, Wi-Fi can be convenient in a retail shop if you don't have access to your cellular connection, but at the same time, stores offer that free Wi-Fi, not only for the convenience of you connecting to get access to the internet and possibly their app or website, but they also turn that on so that you will connect and that they can track your movements and when you show up to the store. Um, One of the things that you should do or that you should turn off is to make sure that you're turning off Google location on your Android and Apple devices. Google location allows retailers to know when you're showing up to their store to buy goodies. So make sure that you are taking the steps to ensure that you've got Google location turned off, and it's usually under settings and privacy, and turn off location services. Now, when you're shopping online, you want to make sure that you're using incognito mode to keep your information safe and secure. Incognito mode allows you to block those cookies that your online retail shops use to figure out where you've been before. When you visit those shops, ads will pop up and will try to target you to different areas of the store or make you tempted to purchase items that you probably weren't looking at. Incognito mode is available in every browser. Some browsers it's called in private mode, others it's incognito mode. But you just need to go to your browser, select a new browser, and make sure that you want to surf in incognito or in private mode in order to keep your cookies out of the hands of those sneaky online retail shops that you deal with. Another good thing that you can do as far as protecting your privacy is to use a VPN or a virtual private network. A virtual private network or VPN is a piece of software or hardware that keeps your information safe when you're surfing the internet. Now, a firewall, which most of you already have, will keep your location, well, not your location, but will keep you invisible on the web so that if criminals are reaching out to try to find you, they won't find you behind the firewall. But once you reach out beyond the firewall, potentially the data that you are exchanging back and forth between your computer and the website can be spied upon by the site that you're visiting or from unsuspecting cyber criminals, which is important to enable a VPN on your device to enable, if you are shopping at an online store, that you're keeping your identity and the information that you're exchanging back and forth. Now, one last thing that you can do if you want to keep your information clear or clear it from what retailers have is to visit the website Delete Me. Delete.me is a website that you can visit where you can remove all your information off the internet for low fee. Let me bring up the site so that you can look at it and then we can peruse together. There is delete.me, and as you can see, you can go in and it allows you to input your personal information, and the Delete Me network will remove the information that has been collected about you off of the internet. So it's a nice, safe, secure way to make sure that you are keeping your data out of the hands of unsuspecting people that are looking for you on the internet. Now, finally, another thing that you can do on your own, if a retailer that you've dealt with has fallen victim to a data breach, say like Target, and you want to make sure that your information wasn't in that breach, you can check at the website haveibeenpwned.com, which is a website that allows you to input your email address to find out if your email has been leaked in a large scale data breach. Now, Have I Been Pwned looks just like this, and as you can see where I'm circling at the top, it's just haveibeenpwned.com. Enter an email address in to see if it has been breached or leaked in a large data breach This allows you to go in and change passwords for old accounts that you haven't used, and just to let you know overall if your information isn't or is floating around on the dark web. Other things that you can do to keep those accounts safe if you have been victim of a data breach is to use passphrases instead of passwords. Passphrases are unrelated to you. Passwords, we tend to make them personal information that we're already sharing on our social media accounts. And passphrases are just a lot safer to use. And finally, if an online retailer has been breached and you want to keep your information safe, use two-factor or two-step authentication. Essentially, you set your online account, including your retail account, up to send you an alert via text message or email if someone tries to log in without your permission. So, without that said, if you've got comments or questions about how retailers track you, leave the comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you to help you out and figure out how you can stay safe from those retailers that want your information. As with every video, please like it, share it, and comment so that you can get the information you want, and share the video with those friends of yours that suffer from issues dealing with technology. Now, the goal with every video that I make is to make sure that you're opened up to a whole new world of experiences and ideas using your technology devices. I love technology. I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and to do many things, and do many things that make you smile. And thanks for watching.